So the little bird's doing that little bird bath in the dirt? That's called anting, even though there's no anthills involved. I looked, I researched, don't ask me why it's called anting. But birds do that over anthills, and they also do it just in dirt mounts. It's like a little dirt bath, dirt massage. It's the big hit in Paris. All the Paris little budgies are doing it. You get the dirt on your feathers and you roll around it. Oh, it's heaven, I tell you. Feels so good. It is not known why the birds do that. Does it feel good? Is there some parasites they need to get off? Are there some parasites they need to get on? Or does it just feel good? Only a bird knows. All right.